Hello and welcome everyone to Better Everyday. In Photoshop we have many brushes and many patterns, but if we need a new one, then we can also import the different brushes and work with it. Yes, what we are going to do today is import a cloud brushes, and using these brushes we will create clouds on images. So let's get started. Okay, so firstly here what we need to do is that we have one website which is brushz.com. Now guys, this is a really cool website in which you can download many brushes and the patterns. So now firstly I will go to the brushz.com. Here you will find the free Photoshop brushes and the PSTs. Now what you need to do is that you need to just search the cloud brush and click enter. Now you can see that there are many brushes and there are many results. Now here you can see that there are premium brushes and also there are free brushes. What you can do, simply select any of the brushes which you want. So example here I will select this clouds brushes. Now here these brushes are free to download and free to use, so you can click this button and you can download these brushes. Now I have already downloaded many of these brushes and installed it in my Photoshop. However, I will also show you how you can do the same. Now go to the Photoshop and open the file on which you want to add these clouds. Okay, so here I have opened one images, a pre-wedding shoot in which I want to add clouds. Okay, now you will need to click the brush here. So go to the brush tool. Now you can see that we always have a plain brushes which are the circle and the general brushes. Okay, here those are just a simple circles and everything. But now what you need to do is that you need to import the newly downloaded brush. For that you need to go to brush manager or the preset manager. For that you need to click the settings and go to the preset manager. Here you need to select the brushes, that means you want to add a new brushes. So here I have selected the brushes, click the load, and then there are a brush file which we have downloaded, which are the cloud brushes. Now here you can see that I have downloaded these cloud brushes and I will just import this and click the open button here. Okay, as and when you click the open button, scroll down and you will see the folder which we have imported, and you will see that there are many clouds brushes which are now added here. Now what you need to do is that now select any of the cloud design which you want to import. So example, I have selected this pattern and I will click done. And now here you can select the brush which we have imported. So here this is the folder, and let's say I am selecting the first cloud, and you can see that now my brush is changed. You can see that the brush is now in the different view. So previously we had a really round brush now, but we have a brush with the cloud shape. Now what you need to do, you have selected this. Now zoom in a little bit or increase the size of the brush. Okay, but now before doing that you need to create a new layer, so on which you can add the brush. Okay, now firstly you need to change the color to the white. Okay, I will increase the size more and I will just click the brush tool. Now you can see that I have now generated the clouds here, and you can see that how these clouds are looking like a real clouds, and we don't need to do anything. Now again I will give a brush stroke. Now you can see that the clouds are added here, however those are not in the good shape, or you can see that there are differentiation. Now what you need to do, select the eraser tool. Okay, decrease the opacity for this and try to clean this stroke here. Okay, which is a differentiation. Now what also you need to do, you also need to clean or delete the clouds which are getting overlapped on your images. Now there are different tricks to do that. What you can do, you can just select everything using a select tool and differentiate this, or you can simply use the erase tool and erase the clouds which you don't want to overlap on your images. Now I'm just erasing here. You can see that I'm erasing all the clouds which are getting overlapped on my image. Okay, so there are many methods by which you can do that, and also I'm erasing the clouds which are getting overlapped here on the trees. Okay. And now I am done. Now here you can see that my clouds got added on the images, and those are looking really cool and fine and really like the original one. And also what you can do, if you believe that no, these clouds are really intense, what you can do, you can simply decrease the opacity here. If you decrease the opacity, the cloud's intensity will get decreased, so you can also control that. Now here it seems that my clouds are really good, those are looking really fine. Simply what I need to do is now just export this image. Okay, so I will just export this JPG and I will just export this on my desktop. Okay, and I'm done. So now you can see that how it was easiest to add the cloud on your images with the quick tutorial using the brushes. So thank you everyone for paying attention. I will also try to create more other different small tutorials on the Photoshop and will post soon. So thank you very much. Bye. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel Better Application.